this is Miss Hess, and I just wanted to give you an overview of the physics and honors physics courses. They're very similar, so I will just be going into one, but I just want to make sure that you realize that anytime you go into Blackboard, you want to be at bb.ccpsnet.net. This is the Chesterfield Blackboard website. If you Google Blackboard, there's no telling what Blackboard website you'll be sent to, so you want to make sure that you go to ours. I'm going to go ahead and log in as a student. As you can see here, I've got a couple of classes that I'm taking, chemistry, geometry, physics, and honor physics. Obviously, I'm an overachiever in the science department. I'm going to go ahead and choose just our general physics class. Now, both of these are set up the same, so if you're in honors, it's going to look the same for you when you come in here. You'll notice that when you open up the box, you've got the announcements. There's a class overview tab over here on the left-hand side. When you open up that tab, you can see that there's a syllabus, a pacing guide. The pacing guide is for the entire semester, an equation sheet for the exam, and the exam review sheet. These are the valid exam review sheets and equation sheets for your exam this January. So if you are an overachiever and want to get started early, you can go ahead and do that. There is a teacher information box where it has my information if you ever forget it, and Miss Bates' information, who's our guidance counselor, and also the orientation that you took in another class. That information is in this class, except you don't have to retake it. You'll notice down here below the lessons is a discussion board and study guides and my grades. My grades are where you're going to be able to check your grades. That's your grade book. The discussion board is where you can go for any discussion boards that you have submitted. Obviously, I haven't submitted any because it says no items found. And the study guides are important. You have 3 units that are here that are going to be in the first semester. We'll start off with Unit 1 is what you'll handle this semester, and then 1 section in Unit 2, and then the rest of it will be completed in the second 9 weeks. If you open up these folders, you'll see that there are study guides here. The study guides are to help you collect information through the text that will help you in your quizzes and your tests. If you open up one of these study guides, it will come up open into a Word document. What I suggest that you do is open this up, minimize it, and as you go through the class, you fill that out. Save it, email it to me. That's your extra credit. So study guides are important. When you go into Unit 1, your section looks like this. You'll notice that anything that has a piece of paper with a world is actually what is considered your textbook. That's where your text is going to be. And the assignments are in order. You have a free fall lab, a projectile motion lab, there's quiz 2, there's quiz 3, there's a forces and friction lab, and a unit exam. So you're going to access the first unit. You'll notice on the top that there are some tabs here that you can go to each of the sections. And once you get into a section, you can go down here and you can see that there are numbers that will skip you around to each of the pages. This puts you into the lab, this puts you into some text. As you go through, remember to fill out your study guide, use that on your quiz, use that for extra credit, and that's about it. I'll do another one concerning the labs that'll be published probably in the next couple days. But if you ever run into any problems or any questions, the only thing that you can access right now are the items from the term 1. You won't be able to access term 2 items until term 2 starts. Oh, and the other thing, when you're taking your test and your quizzes, make sure you do a favor for me. Check your grades after you take one in the grade book, and if you're not satisfied with your grade, go ahead and retake it. Yeah, that's what I said, retake it. All you have to do to retake any type of test or exam is just go back into that particular quiz, press begin, and take it again. So you want to try to get the highest possible grade. That's important because your first attempt will count for 30% of your grade, and your last attempt will count for 70% of your grade. It's how you're going to get better and be able to do well in this course. So good luck to you, and let me know if you have any questions. Remember, email, text, or phone. Thanks. Good luck.